Mami ang agi fru no Netherlands ni Peace Palace photo buja khainong mani abo bufru rogo tei tamni bagai nang aro thangka te bahike sogi ke kisa sai khanare gadi.
Belai ke nangmani te kaham question abo belai ke dekha 2008 ni khobor se abo answer no san sekang ang jotono no ani khapang ni hamjakma yapari ani channel no nai tongnai rong no hambai yaparo te o question ni answer ke gdek mani ba pogoi be thangbai ha photo rok bo haine isa misa tongmani kamai thangbai kya narak jaglia kaini kaitha tongko a photo no si sekang ma phunu granai abo hokake ke Netherlands ni Hague city ni Peace Palace Aronio International Interreligious Conference ingmani 2008 10 December boni pore hikes ang meeting paye Hague ni city o photo bujak mani omo ke 10 tarik to Peace Palace International Interreligious Conference ni pore omo te kaisa program kha obo kha ke जों जतनो no sajago janja identity ba जों tam no change khaina musu tam no tei society change khaina musu abai kisa symbol to bodi hi hojago hain bang ang kaisa brirong conference risa tilangai present khaimen risa no bahike जों park ba bahike snam abo ang bujok tongkha ge rongui tongnai hike bupa ke Chinese buma hake Indonesia omo ke photo rok poriskar ngliya gja asa kedek maniba omo ke aprono जों conference ni pore break go जों malai kobrok salai charong nglaiman bahai ke sokha tamni sokha abo kwbangma sajanai tongo haifano kisa kisa ang sasnai jara women activists rokno a program mo invitation khaijago program ke obhai program tongmani 60 years Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Working Conference on Women Development and Peace Workers, The Hague, 9 থেকে 12 December 2008 वो program tongmani. Obo haine sung invitation maya jara women activists, especially North East sung women activists tongnai rongno invitation rogu coordinate nei Netherlands ni kaisa organization tongo NGO borok जों bai kwbang ma sam khail ha North East based जों sam khailel ha eklogi khlai especially ajorao Armed Forces Special Power Act Tripura bo impose tongo North East bo impose tong ye ajora जों bri rok sam khaika bri ni ngai te omhai conference rok khaika ke bro omhai ke sima bagai invitation khaika sab North East based ba national base bri rok active tong ne ang bahai ne prai na North East ni program bo thango national level bo thango ge thangka ke na ani speech jomaro rogo ke a speech ge borong yago klaika ge hain bagin boro invitation roka o invitation ke obhai ke roho coordinate nei Netherlands ni boro roka 2008 29 October boro invitation rohmani Boron program paina bagai ya jemon tam coordinate will cover the cost of travel and you'll stay here in the Netherlands obhai ke chithio boro roi roho kata coordinate ni joto no thang phai ni te tongnan chanani khoros bohon khainai hinai North East ni buri जों sinilai jak ba kwbang ma जों ekloge ke apro thanglai kya North East ni India ni to te juda tong na apro ni program ni bumung tongmani faith in human rights ikle faith in human rights nei omo file rojangmani adino ke Wednesday 10 December 2008 Peace Palace in the Hague or naimanu of file ni tolawo oros tolaw sujak nongkha this conference is part of the United Nations campaign to commemorate the 16th anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Mane 60 side bosor je Universal Declaration Human Rights ngano muito khaina bagai o program khaijak mani 10 December ke International Human Rights Day. Ge o 60 years no muito khaina bagai o kaisa United Nations part hisabe program khaija khata aro haini haimaya obo kake hamani ticket yang digibu program roi rojak oronio program 8:30 থেকে program yang program sheet rojak ike oronio nugui manai tola peace palace ni kaisa building ge office no conference topic ge faith in human rights international interreligious conference Wednesday 10 December 2008 Peace Palace The Hague the Netherlands 8:30 o seimani ge az jaga jotono world ni main ধর্ম ni borok rok sokjak ge event chini India ni bahaina bahai hitoya de lotus temple ni aroni main borok rok thangai speech present khaima nukha ani aroni city tongu bono nailainai 10 tarik ke peace palace o international inter religious conference mani adino ke to 10 December international human rights December ni 11 tarik Thursday ke working conference ni kaisa meeting kha bo ke kaisa Carlton Beach Hotel hitong arnio sung meeting kha o meeting ni picture na o picture after meeting mani picture ge borok saka oro again sing roja khaike tongo all participants are invited to bring something back at a small history from their country that is symbolic for their work their struggle or the changes they have been able to make during the plenary discussion each will have a moment to present this to the group ehain bagai oronio ang risa tilangkha risa tamke ang risa no tui kwbang ma discussion khai chini tripura rok bahaina even christian ni program ro risa no tui kwbang ma masaka jeng risa no tuya nango risa angkha chini identity bono jeng mothangna nangphinai revive khai phina nangnai 1996 go ang christian ni program mo ongkhakha christian program rogo sana jengkha of course ani loge tongbaye especially Dipali tebormano loge mankha bage ang wansogo obono puila foreign country o chin risa introduce khaijakna as chini tripridopani identity hisabe ni kaisa short speech on violence against indigenous women in Tripura since merger with Indian Union in 1949 abo haike ani short speech aronio saman tongo ke ang kisa sai thangsna ang thungpari saya puilang ke to respected rong hi chengkha ke chin Tripura no smallest hilly state rong hi chengkha Tripuran geography rok suijak population rok ke chini boundary Bangladesh bai busuk tong e abhai rok sukha chin Tripura ni raja busuk tong bofro ni ching Tripura India bai march khaikha abhai rok ke sukha oronio ke since 1949 the merger of Tripura with the Union of India the indigenous people have been oppressed and suppressed by the state and particularly women have been the victims of all type of atrocities till today mane azora ang 2008 ko thangmani here for your kind information I would like to highlight in brief few important incidents wherein indigenous women had been the victims of all oronyo koyekta points ang rokha borokno burirok boro victims angkha je kono samoyno juddho angthang bulai toglai danga angthang burirok joton sei dukho kosto mako tan bangke seng thang tongnan ke hor tei besi nangi ke sengle burirokle busa srai bai tongnani mami sungnani charonani bolongo thangka ke khari phama thangka nok khangi phama thangka ke boro hothat ke tei hor bol manaiba hain bagai belai ke burirok kosto mano ke orono jeng buchina nango je kuno juddho phangthang danga phangthang ke burini kpalono kosto beshi sokphaio karon borok busa kelei breastfeeding khai tong kokon hindro tong ke charona nungrona sungai tognani tui hor belaiken mathoya yaproke bro kostoman. In 1971, during the chief ministership of Sri Sukhmoy Sen Gupta, more than 25,000 of indigenous people were forcibly evicted from their own lands as the government proposed to construct a dam to set up Dumbur hydroelectric project on the river Gumoti. The government dispatched police, CRPF with elephant and bulldozers, then forced them to leave their lands, wherein women were sexually abused and many children were starved to death. Mrs. Durga Lokhi Jamatia, a pregnant woman, was beaten up and forced to leave her house. Oronyo 1971 Dumbur Kaitanio Chin Boro no Uthori Rohopro or Buri Kroksa Durga Lokhi Jamatiani pregnant tongu bono bui bon nogne onkadi hero Roman. Yet Tamka later on she gave birth her first child as a dead baby in the jungle. Uloke bo bolongo kuthi sara bohogni kuthike bo bosa baka. Tamdake buzak tokzak masaya manuyan keba bo thikha ke Mrs. Sukumari Jamate about 60 years bo ke paralyzed tongmani bo bhaine nogni okharoi rohjagi lamao balai tilang laikhina bolongo na thikha ke bolongo no bono sawi maroka obhai Dumburni amolo ke Congress na amol tabo ke CPIM ni sarkar ni amol. In June 1980 when Sri Nripen Chakraborty was the Chief Minister of Tripura, a communal riot flared up between the indigenous and non-indigenous in Tripura. Nripen Chakraborty Chief Minister Shibo 1981 ke kotor man dangang ka Tripura sa wansa hanoi riot bon ke jati dangang ka belai ke thibai ka horok sobjak bai ka nogrok paibai ka inke an bagai more than 3,000 chin borok rok jelo sojak bai ka salarok da inke nog bu sogjag borok bu butharjag tei jeng borok haya ugroponthi ni rongui jelo sojak inke o jorago kwbangma bwrui randing bai ka srai rok bu kwbangma bufa korikha buma korikhe orphan mane onath bai ka buma fa kori bai ka a dangani jorao tei kaisa inke 1988 on bhaine CPIM no amlo the Assam Rifles gang raped 8 indigenous women for 3 consecutive days from 31st May to 2nd June at Uzan Maidan under Khwai subdivision of West Tripura. Ultimately, even Supreme Court had to intervene action. Sung Obunuka 1988 do Ajana Burui Chini Tipraja Burui Assam Rifle by gang rape Kajangman din Borong Oro Naragai rape Kajangman. Obhake Kabang Matongu quite important ang aron yo present Kaimani 1999 Obhaina TSR Group Takumbari Parago Nutun Bazaro Sini Buri Rogno rape Kaimani Korksa Boh Koto Rifle Kotor Toyade Yapang by Buri Boh Koto Puzagai Asraini Jokun Asai Srain Bokrok Koshonke Tui Butuk Lai Asaimani 2008 12 March Wonkake SPU Jagadish Sil Bo Rep Kaika Apaima Mok 21 Boson Brino Obhake Koyekta record no present Kaijaka. Lastly, Obhake request Kaijaka United Nations no. Therefore, I would like to draw your attention on few points in order to prevent further occurrence in the future are as follows. Ang saka je omhaike je request khaijaka je chini hani police rok buri rok no secure rognani rape khaiyagai te omthai domestic violence theke je chin buri rok dukho kosto mai tongani bono safe khainani protection khaina angthang e abhaike request khaijaka teibu sajaka je buri rok rape khaijak hake society o hamya nozor nukjag chair jagya neglect khaijagmani aboni hoite jate rokhang thung abhai ke sajaka je compensation rojak thung te rehabilitation bu sujog rojak thung which is now in operation only in indigenous ang thangproto repealing yako uthokjayako 2008 uthokjayako chin tripura uthokjaman ke to 2015 May uthokjaka ge obhairo ke sung appeal khaimani United Nations appeal khaimani ba request khaiman theke na India pressure man boro nirong oro North East Nagaland Manipur Tripura obhai tamni tongkho ADC area kaisa si Armed Forces Special Power Act operation khaija general digi ke khaija oboni meaning hoka ke chini borok rok no ke suspect khai ke no kogi bo tharman omhai ke army ni power tong police rok power ke am ba busu sung kharsu suo tong azarawo kirima sungsawo te kaisa next number chin tiprasan area ADC area ba chin borok ni jaga no bahai ke dokhol khaimano abhai policy government rok ni wansung tong hain ba in the name of development bumtui bahai ke chin borok ni area no dokhol khaiman jemon wildlife sanctuary ke bolong bang mano dokhol khai mayung ro tongnani tabo eco park te paramilitary camp TSani camp botui jotono camp rok chin borok area dokhol khai industry rok ne rodi eco park rok ke sung tong tholai actually chin bagi chaya like rodi tak borok mura eco park chin borok aronyo mia phai chamani mia phai aronyo phali chamani musuk pun bedan roi tongmani sung bol rok nanan takhe jagre mia phai chana jagre thangka ike whereas bini borok je sikito rok aro chakri khai tongo guard phangtung chin borok ke kono sujog gre ge dugan roi dokhol khaite khaija ge mane chin borok ni area o bini borok phayen subida thangta aro gari thang police guard tongo abai ke dokhol khayani lama rotukta ke chin borok ke sia aro nyo sung dabi khaya rungya sungno oro sungno samung maronai sungno bu job maronai abai ro ke sana rungya othoso sung tongthokjak lai berai lai guri lai asung chin borok am bagai chin obai ke mang kaisa ya kaini kabang ma jaga chin borok ni area ADC area dokhol kotor dokhol khaina jaka apni bagai na chin borok ke burden thangta domestic workloads of indigenous women especially buri rok ni osubida bol nainani nanga daro nagi tomasi bonusi eco park khairol ha bol namani mia phai chamani ye hasalo mathangnai tekis kari kha bol si mamalia ke biang sung mami sungsnai be abain bagai buri rok ke kostoman hain bagai oronyo United Nations request khaijak bokha ajora wata hain bagai sung haino thangkha ke mane top ke mane magic haike no gya je aro thangmani haike samjaka hainka hne haipan aste dire ne sung obhai ke demand khaimani manai tong sung kogo tong kakesi dud masal in bagina sung cry khaina nang chin voice raise khaina nang je sawopan local inthang national inthang international inthang sung voice raise khaina nang sung tabo aro nyo no bo je khorok thangke pasi peace palace in biskango borok poster rok khai demand khai to aro peace palace heg ro busuk sung tongui ma ba foreign borok like on the aro nyo sung nukha African borok khorok thangke poster phunugoi demand khai to abhai ro ke sung nugu ge hain bagina sung khaina nang jotono kiri korok ke tongke yangnai khorok nei phana sung basai voice raise khaina nang ke je borok tongnai rok borok haina spiritually socially mentally morally economically intellectually support khaina nang je abhai ke sam khaina rok sung ke abhai ke support khaina ni help khaina ni mentality o khub kom ke nukjag instead je khaina rok ke boke bus khaima kha asa khaima bai tam nani abhai ke discourage roman nukjag ye tini asung thang आं नेदारलेंड नि हेग को पीस पैलेस नि इंटरनेशनल इंटर रिलीजियस कॉन्फ्रेंस थांगमानी ते बेहायनो वर्किंग कमिटी नि कॉन्फ्रेंस मानी अरनो किस्सा साबायखा के आस कदमा पाव थांबायला के आजरा तो मोबाइल रो करी हाइनबां तिसा जाया ताबो मोबाइल रो गोबां इंटरनेट नि सुबिदा उनका वेबसाइट नि सुबिदा उनका हाइन बागै आं दिनै सुजुग मामानि बागै बेलायके हामबाय के जाया दंखि जतन थानि नागारसानो सामारोनो के जों एक्सेप्ट खालायनाय दैबो एनकारेज खालायनाय बोखाव जब लायनाय के आबहायकेनो चिनि बरफनि हामारि आगोवै थांथों आसोनो जतन हामबाय खुलुमखा।